you angry, stressed, or sad? It's high time for your emotions to take a break. Just pick up a phone with a stress-relieving phone case, and a smile will be back on your face at once. Blondie is easily annoyed by everything. It must be the solar eclipse having such a strong effect on my friend. But even a bag of M&Ms gets into trouble. Blondie can't manage to open it, and all the contents rain down over the kitchen floor like a sweet avalanche. The blue-eyed girl is surprised by the candy disaster in the kitchen. Calm down! You should keep your hands busy with this cute phone case instead. Cover a phone case with red acrylic paint. Cut 2 makeup sponges. Remove about a quarter at the back. Paint the bottom part in white. Paint a pupil with black paint and an eyelid. Hot glue eyes to the phone case. Cut eyebrows out of black felt. Cut the letter M out of paper and attach it to the bottom of the phone case. And add a felt mouth. Blondie calms down thanks to the new case. It seems that the blue-eyed girl averted another M&M catastrophe. No candies will be injured anymore. Instead of a twitching eye, my friend has a soft-eyed phone case. And she can also take funny new selfies. Linda is going to the beach to get distracted from the rush of everyday life, except that she can't stop packing her bag. She forgot water and a beach towel. I wait for her to pack everything that's on her list. Sunscreens, a hat. It looks like my friend needs vitamins for better memory, but we don't have any vitamins right now, so an anti-stress case with mermaid scales will help her reduce stress. Paint a half of a phone case beige. Color seashells. First, use white acrylic paint, and then pink. Apply purple strokes on top. Hot glue the seashells to the phone case. Trace a mermaid tail template on fabric that has double-sided sequins. Cut it out. Make a thin double-sided and hot glue the 2 pieces. Attach the tail to the phone case. Cover the cuts of the fabric with black acrylic paint. Paint the mermaid's belly button and decorate the top of the case with sequins. This double-sided mermaid tail is a double stress reliever. You can feel the sea's magic coming from it. So get ready for the beach quickly and don't worry about anything. I'm ready to pull an all-nighter studying. This is so stressful. It's great that someone put a rainbow anti-stress case here. Coat a phone case with acrylic paints. Make a white base and then paint a rainbow. Paint the top of the case pink, the middle yellow, and the bottom blue. Blend the rainbow transitions and dry it using a hairdryer. Cut a template out of parchment paper. It should be a teeny bit smaller than the case. Put a sheet of parchment paper on a board and thick plastic wrap on top of it. Wrap the template inside. Iron it with no steam. Wait half a minute for the wrap to cool down and cut the wrap along the contour, leaving a small allowance. Don't forget about the camera hole. Cut the bottom following the line of the template. Take it out of the wrap. Put glitter inside. Use a syringe to pour some water in it and add a drop of cosmetic oil. Wipe the edge with a cotton sponge. Wrap it with parchment paper and seal using an iron. Cut oval edges and fasten it to the rainbow case using hot glue. My new phone case is straight from a fairy tale. It shines like a rainbow, and the glitter inside calms you down. But I think I know who it belongs to. Unicorn appears in the room for a reason. It must be looking for its uniphone. Oops! It seems that I studied so much I started hallucinating from overexhaustion. Sports grounds are places for making your spirits stronger. The blue-eyed girl and her skateboard are in the "it's complicated" phase of their relationship. She can't do any tricks. Even standing on it is a great challenge. This skateboard is clearly not a reliable guy. She's done. The blue-eyed girl takes a break from sports. She needs to calm down. And Blondie has a present just for her. It's a special anti-stress toy. Hot glue Lego bricks to a silicone case. Attach more bricks on top. Cover the entire case. Make a mini skate park and add tiny Lego figurines. The blue-eyed girl takes out a phone case with a toy skate park. The blue-eyed girl imagines her future sports victories while playing with Legos. Blondie is sad. It will be raining all day long according to the weather forecast. But my friend isn't sad about it. Small clouds are fun too, like the ones on her phone case. Use a sponge to coat a phone case with baby blue acrylic paint. Dry it with a hairdryer. Shape air dry clay with foam plastic balls into clouds. Attach them to the case. Add a rainbow decoration. Cut a cloud out of gold cardboard. Hot glue it between the two clay clouds. Hot glue a tiny rainbow slinky into the center of the case. Attach the 3D cloud on top. Draw eyes and a mouth on it with a black marker. Add some blush with a red marker. This anti-stress case is telling my friend, don't be sad, because there is always a rainbow after the rain. And meanwhile, we can come up with hundreds of games under the rain. Just don't forget to bring an umbrella. Blondie knows a tried and tested way to overcome stress. Cream therapy and more sprinkles. But Linda prefers a way with not that many calories, a donut phone bumper. Hot glue foam rubber hair rollers along the perimeter of a phone case. Add a dripping glaze pattern on top using hot glue. Even out the shape slightly with the hot nozzle. Coat it with acrylic paint. Paint rainbow sprinkles on the glaze. Cover it with clear nail polish so that it is glossy. This donut will calm you down and will still keep you fit. In addition to this, it is satisfying to squeeze it in your hands, and the cream won't get your fingers and hair dirty. Linda is feeling gloomy, but she becomes happy the same moment she finds a phone case with an anti-stress coloring book. Cut a yellow foam rubber sheet so that it is of the same size as a phone case. Insert it inside the phone case and cut out holes for the camera and connectors. Mark a rectangle that is of the same size as the case on white sheets of paper. Cut the first sheet with scrapbooking scissors. Cut the rest of the sheets with regular scissors. Draw coloring pictures on them. You can use templates or draw them yourself. Define the contours with a black pen. Attach the pictures together using thin double-sided tape. Attach the handmade coloring book to the phone case. Paint cat paws with white acrylic paint on the top of the phone case. Define them with black paint. Coloring a picture with felt tip pens is a great way to de-stress. And if your friend joins you, then your good mood doubles. And you can take this stress-relieving coloring book along with your phone wherever you go. Did you like our anti-stress phone cases? Then write in the comments which case you will make to relieve your stress and what helps you chase negative thoughts away. And don't forget to
do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new supply. surprise the channel that will blow your mind.